Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on MultiversX. On the 7-day time frame chart, recently MultiversX is rejected by this long-term resistance of $55. After the breakout from this descending triangle, you can see that we had a nice pump. The price and got rejected. And by the way, this $55 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. And now again, it is flipped into a resistance after this breakdown. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. Right now, the price and is getting accumulated at this support. There's a quite firm support here at $29.38. It had been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks or months, almost as a support here. And here it was working as a resistance, support. And now again, it is working as a very, very nice support. And we will also analyze this support. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this previous and very long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this is trade setup for CLV, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 7th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this for the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of MultiversX, and this is the 7-day time frame chart. And you can see that previously was moving inside this very long-term descending triangle. We found this resistance here on 15th of April, in the mid of April 2024. We got stable ejections, and here we had a very long-term support of this triangle. That was at $21. And after getting squeezed inside this support and resistance, finally we broke out the resistance of this triangle. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this triangle, that target was exactly here at this long-term resistance of $55, and the price and reached slightly beyond that target up to $58.25. But despite this long spike, the price and could not break it out. We got rejection here, and now the price and has broken down this very long-term support of $40. And by the way, this $40 has been recently working as a resistance here. Before that, for a few weeks, it was working as a support here and resistance here and support here back in the month of June 2022 as well. And now it can again work as a strong resistance. Right now, the price is getting accumulated at this very long-term and firm support of $29.38. That was recently working as a resistance here, and support here as well. In case of breaking it down, it can again drop down at this long-term support of $21. Now, here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. But after the breakout, the price and could not break out this very strong resistance of $75. You can see that the price and formed a double top here at this resistance. Therefore, we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. It is somewhere between $280 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.